Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss another Leetcode problem, and this problem is based on array. Okay, so the question is unique number of occurrences. Okay, given an array of integers ARR, return true if the number of the occurrences of each value in the array is unique. Okay, or false otherwise. Okay, so now let's see the first example, then you can easily understand what's going on in this problem. Okay, so this integer array is given to you. Okay, and here you have total 3 unique elements. What are the 3 unique elements? 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now what is the number of the occurrences of 1 is 3 times, right? And what is the number of the occurrences of 2 is 2 times, right? And what is the number of the occurrences of 3 is only 1 time. Okay, so now you have the 3 unique elements in this array, right? And the number of the occurrences of each element is different. Okay, that's why this will give you false. Okay, so now let's see the second example. In this second example, this integer array is given to you. Okay, so in this array you have the 2 unique elements, 1 and 2, right? So what is the number of the occurrences of 1 is also 1 time, right? And what is the number of the occurrences of 2 is also 1 time, right? So the number of the occurrences of these 2 unique elements is same. That's why it will give you false. Okay, so now let's see how we can solve this problem. So basically this problem is like a good example for how you can use hash map and hash set. To solve this problem, I will use hash map and hash set both. Okay, so how we can solve this problem? Let's see. First, let's take a hash map. Okay, integer. Okay, hm equals to new hash map. Okay, and then I'll just traverse this integer array. Okay, so basically in this hash map I will add all the elements. Okay, and in the value, the type of the value is also integer. Basically I will, in the value field, I will calculate the number of the occurrences of that particular element. Okay, so hash map I have used to calculate the number of the occurrences of each element. I think it is clear. So now hm dot put. Okay, then key. What is the key? Key is the element, right? Then hm dot get or defaults, get or default I comma, what is the default element is 0 plus 1. Okay, so now at the end I will take a hash set. Okay, integer hash set equals to new hash set. Okay, and then I will explain whole code. Okay, so now for map dot entry, okay, integer. Now I will just traverse a hash map. Okay, if hm dot entry set. Okay, so now if s dot add I, then you can return false. Okay, then otherwise we will return true. Okay, so now let's run this code. Just a second. Oh, sorry, not I, it will be e dot get value. Okay, so now let's see what's going on in this code. Okay, so basically at first I take the hash map. Why so? Basically I want to calculate the number of the occurrences of each element. Okay, that's why in this case hash map is the best choice. Okay, in the hash map there have total two fields, key and value. Okay, so in the key field I will add this elements. Okay, means unique elements of the that is present in our array. Okay, and in the value field I will calculate the number of the occurrences of that each element. Okay, I think hash map is clear. So now I will just add all the values in the our hash map. Okay, so now as you know, put method is used to add the key and the value in our hash map. Put method is used. So hm.k.default, this method will give you the value of that particular key. If no value is present in that particular key, then this method will give you the default value. So here I give the default value 0. Okay, so this method will give you that particular value and we'll just add +1 with that particular value. Okay, I think it's clear. Okay, so now let's take this first example. Okay, this integer array is given to you. So after this for loop, what do you have in your hash map? Like for 1 you have 3 because 1 is appears 3 times, right? And 2 appears 2 times. Okay, and 3 appears only 1 time. Okay, in your hash map you have these values. Okay, so now I take a hash set. Why so? As you know, hash set can only store the unique elements, right? So that's why I take the hash set. So in hash set, what I will store? In the hash set, I will store the occurrences of each element. Okay, so in this code, what is the question? The question is like the number of the occurrences of each value in the array is unique, then only you have to return true. Okay, so like if you have duplicate values, then this like okay, like if you take this example, then the number of the occurrences of 1 is 1 and number of the occurrences of 2 is also 1, right? So in that case, when you will try to add that particular 1, means the number of the occurrences of 1 is 1 and number of the occurrence of 2 is also 1. So now when you will try to add that 1 2 times, then this add method will give you false. But at the end, you have used a not operator also to at the end, the whole condition will become true and then you will return false, right? I can see the first example. So in your hash map this values is present. Okay, so like the sequence can be different. Okay, so now what is the first value is 3. Okay, so you can easily add that particular value. Okay, now what is the second value is 2. You can easily add this 2 also. Okay, and last one you have 1. Then you can also add this 1 also, right? Means it add will become true and at the end you have used not operator, so now whole condition will become false. So this condition will not execute, right? I think you're getting my point. So now at the end we just return true. Okay, so I think this code is clear too. If you have any error, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. Okay, so now let's submit this code. Okay, I think this is clear to you. So that's all for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.